So today we're in the truck here. I'm going to show you a little bit about how our property surveys work. We're just starting a new build, and the first thing that we need to do is we actually need to survey the property. So our city, our engineer, everybody can have a look at it. Our architect, we're going to know where to put our house on the lot. Now surprisingly, our survey starts blocks away from where the house is. So this is one of the main streets through this area, and you can see he's got his transit set up there, and has basically found, you can see below it there's a mark on the road, and he's marked that off, and we're finding all the property pins in the area, and we're actually going to mark off some new spots to know where we've marked from, and I'll drive down and we'll show you. You can see here that our lot is actually right here, and you can see their second setup there where we're working now, and we're slowly kind of zeroing in on our lot. And as we get to our lot, we'll be able to now, I'll show you here, hang on a second, we'll be able to now mark off the four corners of the lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also what we're going to be able to do is mark an elevation for the lot. So once we have these benchmark spots figured out, we can use those established marks to zero in on the unestablished lot. And with those marks there, and another one actually down the road that they'd set up earlier, we can use those to figure out exactly where this needs to be. They use lasers and mirrors to establish exactly where our 4 points are on this lot. And once we've done that, we can go back to an established elevation mark, and they actually have an elevation marker in this neighborhood where we know that marker is an exact elevation, and we follow that back to here, and we can compare that elevation to the elevation that we're getting here, and we can mark off where we actually need to eventually build this house. So that's how we start. The very first thing that we start for a new lot is we survey the lot. So we'll show you some more later, and we'll let you see it as we move along.